Hello friends, welcome to Enter 21st. Today I am going to tell you how to sync your DishTV remote with your TV's remote. So let's start. Before starting, I want to tell you something. First, you can only sync your TV remote's power button, volume up and down button, OK button, left right down and up button, mute button and source button. Secondly, you can operate your Samsung TV with this remote directly by pressing TV remote button. After pressing this TV remote button, a red LED will glow in it. This means you can now operate your Samsung TV with it. If you don't have a Samsung TV, then you have to sync your TV's remote with DishTV's remote in order to operate your TV. Now I tell you what you have to do to sync TV's remote. First, press OK button and 0 button together from your DishTV's remote for few seconds. After this, red LED will glow and blink in the TV mode button. Now put DishTV's remote and TV's remote on a flat surface like this. Now, I am going to sync power on off button. For this, press power button of DishTV's remote, and then press power button of TV remote. If you done this right, TV mode LED will blink twice. Next I am going to sync volume up button. Press volume up button from DishTV remote and then press volume up button from TV's remote. Again LED will blink twice. Now quickly I sync all the remaining buttons. After sync all the buttons, press TV mode button from DishTV's remote to save all data. LED will blink twice for the confirmation. Now DishTV's remote is ready to operate TV. So now let's test it. Now press TV mode button and then press power button from DishTV's remote. Let's see. Okay. Now the TV is playing. I can use all the buttons like volume up and down, mute and source button, OK button, up down left and right button. Now you don't have to pick your TV's remote and operate your dish set-top box and TV with one remote. Last thing to remember, to use remote with set-top box, press TV mode button again. If you like this video, please like and share it and subscribe our channel. Thank you.